Looking for a quick and reliable way to convert Outlook PST files to PDF? Welcome to DataVare PST to PDF Converter, your all-in-one solution for seamless, secure, and efficient email file conversion. Features of DataVare PST to PDF Converter: export PST to PDF flawlessly, apply advanced file filtration, save converted data locally, an independent application step to convert PST to PDF. Step 1. Download and install the application on your Windows PC. Once installed, double-click the desktop icon to launch the software. Step 2. Click on Browse to locate and select your PST or OST file from local storage. The software supports both formats. Step 3. Once the file is loaded, preview its content directly within the application. Check your folders and emails before proceeding. Step 4. Choose your preferred export format: PDF, HTML, or MHTML. You can export the entire PST file or select specific folders. Want to ignore empty folders? Just check the box. Now select the destination where the converted files will be saved. Step 5. Everything set? Click Convert Now to start the process. In just a few moments, your PST files will be successfully converted to PDF. Experience fast, secure, and efficient file conversion with DataVare PST to PDF Converter. For more info, visit our website. Thanks for watching.